Yeah, we're standing here with your beautiful frameless bifolds, and I know here on display there is the step transition here, but can these be recessed into the floor to remove any trip hazards?
Yes, they absolutely can. For us to be able to meet compliance with the Australian standard, it was important that we incorporate a strip drain on the inside of the doors.
Yes.
So you can see here this is represented by this aluminium grate. This is just in case if any water was able to make it through, it can't be allowed to instantly enter somebody's home. So there's a drain here. The water can either drain out either end or it can weep out the front like a window.
Yes.
We wouldn't expect it to carry large volumes of water, but it's just a bit of a keep safe if ever any water was to come through. So this can certainly be set down flush.
And high quality seals also that act as a barrier for this too, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. If you're looking for a high quality frameless door system for your home, come in and check out Outback Doors here at the Build and Design Centre. Magnificent product.